How do we actually let go of something or detach? It's bandied about all over the place. Just let it go, just detach, just be the witness, just watch the movie. But how do you do it? Let's ask the tarot. Our first major arcana card is the Emperor. And the Emperor is telling us that we need a safe, private space where we feel calm and regulated. The Emperor is the number 4, stable as the table. So we gotta have that foundation where we feel protected, or else we can't let go. Second card is the Wheel of Fortune. Now, whether this is upright or reversed, it signals change or what seems to be chaos. So it's hard to detach when something doesn't go the way we thought it would go. But all that means is that we think we know better than the etheric field, God, the universe, whatever you want to call it, that we know what the outcome is supposed to be, and we're more right than that creator. How do you believe that this creation is happening for you, or that this change is happening for you and not against you? You pattern it. You track how many things in your life, significant occasions, didn't work out the way you thought they would, and how it ended up being better and okay. You have to look at the data, or else you're not going to believe it. After you find a way to calm your nervous system, that's a different video, detach and let go because you believe something is working for you and not against you, and cry it out, do whatever you need to do, then you'll receive the energy of the Fool, where you just choose to believe in magic. You believe that you do your part and the other force that's creating with you is going to join you and do their job. And how do you know that this is true? You try it out. You take action based on this belief. You don't just sit home and